Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. I have this nicely, fully rotisserie restored 1968 Dodge Charger RT 440 4-speed car, now available for sale. I want everyone to know that I did not restore this gorgeous car, okay? Nor did I build it, okay? So what I was told from the previous owner is a few things I'm going to mention along with my opinions. Again, guys, gals, these are my opinions. You're not going to hold me to it. If you really like this car, hire your inspector, get him over here, have him decode it, have him look at it, okay? So therefore, you have it. Now, infamous, obviously, front smooth grille on a 68. It's the only year in this generation to have that. The 69 has the splits, and then the 70 has the big chrome around the entire bumper. This is one of my favorites. I was told this is a numbers matching 440 engine that goes with this particular vehicle. Now, I did not decode the motor yet. Okay, I'm going to, but don't take my word for it. You guys come out here and do your own inspection or hire someone that I can refer who knows Mopars, okay? So this has obviously your stock water pump, your stock manifold, your chrome valve covers, upgraded here on the Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor. You got power disc brakes, you got power steering. As you can see here, guys, everything's been, removed from the engine compartment and redone in its correct silver, in which I was told. Upgraded aluminum radiator to keep this baby cool. Yes, the headlights do function. They do open and close properly. Really nice chrome, brand new there, in my opinion. Again, guys, you got your turn signals on the hood here for the 68. As you can see, really nice there. Now, the fender tag, in which tells you what the original color was, what options it came with, I don't have it. Don't ask me, I don't have it, okay? By the VIN, the L code obviously will tell you that it came and built was a 440, okay? So that matches, and again, I will get the engine numbers, I will take pictures of it, but that's for my information, and that's how I'm selling the car, okay? As I move forward, it does have a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, a couple Mopar guys told me that this particular Charger should have a pistol grip. Not sure why the previous owner put the ball knob. He did mention to my partner that he likes this better. So why not build a car the way you want when you're restoring it? Factory original seats in excellent condition, guys. You got your flashers, your brakes, your stock gauges, and I'll show you that when I fire up the car. Excellent dash, headlinder's tight, clean carpet inside, nice back. Now that little piece there, right there, I glued it. It's still coming out, but I will get my guy to fix it. Package tray is nice and tight there, guys. Door jams in and out are really crisp, really nice. I mean, they could have done maybe a little cleaner job on it, but again, if I don't sell this car and get what I want for it, I will pop this door off and smooth this area out and reshoot it and clear coat it to make it, to my likings, okay? Doors are solid. As you can see, the lips are very original there on the welds. In the wheel wells, you can see here, the leaf springs, multi-leaf springs are nice. That's your fuel here. Okay. Trunk has been done really nice. It is body color underneath, as you can see there. Okay. That looks like it's been redone. Maybe not. I'm not 100% sure. You got your spare tire, your jack. Super clean, super nice all around, guys. Really love this thing, man. Wow. Very smooth and straight body. Okay. Obviously, you got brand new Magnum wheels here that came on Dodge Chargers in '68 with the BFGs all around. Excellent door lips on this side too, just like the driver's side. Okay, as you can see, clean, nice inner and outers, very tidy interior. All right, excellent vinyl top, guys, no bubbling whatsoever. I believe this car was restored about 10 years ago. That's my opinion. Okay, underneath this thing is body color. Okay, very nice. Someone spent a lot of money on this car. There you have it. I'm gonna fire it up, guys. It's gonna be hard to go for a ride because it's a 4-speed. I can't hold the camera at the same time. But here, let's check it out. Okay. Let's turn the lights on. I want you guys to want to prove to you that that's functioning as I said. Have it. Now let's close it. Okay, let's go check it out again. Voila! Okay. I mean, look how nice this is. Wow. Whew, I am very proud of this car. Sounds great too, by the way. Like I said, vinyl top is excellent condition. Okay, so let's go like this. RPM tach functions. Let's put the flashers. Let's go check the flashers. Which, does anybody use flashers anymore? Let me go check that out. All right, flashers in the rear are not working. Okay, I'm disclosing all this because I don't want you to say, you never told me. Well, I'm telling you now. If you need these things fixed, listen, I have a repair shop. I have mechanics. I can fix it, but it's going to cost you a little bit more money. Not trying to be cocky, just giving you facts, guys. Black or white, that's how it is. Okay. So anyway, no one uses those anyway. But clock inoperable. Now, a little inside, you can take the dash off, rub the two ends together with an SOS pad, and most of the time, they do start working. Okay, not sure on the fuel, guys. I'm not sure. I will have to put gas in it and check it out. I don't think the temp gauge is working. You got oil pressure, excellent. Alternator gauge works there as well. Wipers, yeah, perfect. I'm not hitting the washer. There's no fluid in there. Radio, yeah, good luck with that. That ain't gonna happen. Okay, that ain't gonna happen. Let's check out heat, temp, fan, and heat. Okay, I'm having a hard time pushing this over. Okay, so you're gonna have to work on that as well. All right, so I did price the car accordingly to everything. Dash is excellent. Okay, you will need a cover in here. The guy never put it in. $50 on eBay. Carpet is excellent. So, guys, there you have it. There you have it. That's all the information on my '68 Dodge Charger. If you like it, you like it, and if you don't, you don't. I don't care. Honestly, who wouldn't like this car? I'm not asking $180,000 for it either. Okay? The car is $120,000. You want it? Write the check. Get the loan. Drop it off. Pick up the car. It's that easy. There you go. Guys, Tom is here. MGM Classic Cars is my place right there. Check out the website if you want to see all the photos. There you have it. I will check the numbers on the trans and the rear end. I'm not claiming its numbers matching as far as the trans and the rear end, but those are my opinions. I was told that's a numbers matching engine. That's my opinion, okay? So I will decode everything, but I advise you guys to do it too. It's not a cheap car, okay? So if you're gonna invest your money, do it the right way, guys. There you have it. I don't know when I'll see another one. For delivery, text me your zip code, 847-848-1850. Financing is available. You will need about $12,000 to $15,000 down to get this thing financed for about 180 months. Yes, 180 months you can go up to. There you have it. Thanks for watching. See ya.